Good morning, everybody. Here to rinse out another t-shirt for you. Look at that amazing Fire Red, White, and Bluebird flag tie-dye tee.
Design thought up by my dad.
Oh yeah. Possibly seen on YouTube somewhere.
Nobody else did it. He saw it in a video of like a 4th of July celebration. He saw somebody wearing it.
Oh, I see.
He was like, "Can you do that?"
You can try. Beautiful.
Let's
To the
go
inside.
Yeah. Let's go. It is hot out here today.
Up. Let's get it unbanded. We did let it soak for an extended period of time. We let it completely dry out before today. Got that nice vibrant color in there.
Yeah.
This is definitely going to be our new red for the red, white, and blue collection. Fire red, this little tier. Let's see what it looks like when it's done. Scarlet looks pretty good, but fire red seems to be pretty popping.
Might take a couple more tries to get it exactly right, but that's a good first attempt.
That's not bad. Look at that. You got your stripes and your little stretch stars. Cool. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Look at that. That is quite impressive. I didn't even know how this pattern was going to come out. And for the very first attempt at just a random thing, this is not too bad. Looks a whole lot like a flag once she gets down her star scrunch pattern. And we have some ideas for those. If you notice, the stripes came out flawless. Look at that. Oh yeah. I think that looks pretty cool. Let us know what you think. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.